This is a project that's been partially set up with lots of multiple supplies. So effectively what we've done is we've put our transformers in and we've put some switches in. So from the switch menu, we've put some switches in. Then we've inserted a generator, placed the generator on the layout and filled all the generator information in. And then what we do, we put the bus coupler in, which is using one of these bus couplers. And then what we do, we interconnect with our bus bar sections between the boards and the bus coupler. So we would go and select cable, select the bottom left hand corner of this board here, DB5, and it's picked up the fact we're adding a bus coupling, so yes, connect that across into there. And then what I would do is select the bus coupler to be constructed of copper bus bar section, CUBBT, open, and you could put some protection on there or not if you didn't want to. Let me just repeat the process. Bottom right hand corner of the bus coupler board there, into the bus coupler there. Again, changing the bus bar to be copper bus bar, open with our protection on if we wanted to. So when we come to calculate, it's going to ask us to select each system in turn. Now if you roll back and look at the layout generally, we can see here we've got 4 transformers online because they're in green. You can see them here, they're actually all in green, which means they're selected as being switched on. And you can see bus coupled switches, so you can open and close them. So if I want to calculate a system, what I then do is display, calculate all. First of all, it's going to ask me whether I'm doing a main or a standby system, so I'll say main system and select the supply point of that system, and that will then run the calculation for that part of the circuit on there. So that's generating the fault from these 2 transformers because these bus couplers and these bus couplers are open switch. And notice we're getting 21.05 kA. So if I now go and close the bus coupler here by double clicking on it and selecting switch close, what we've now got is the default being generated from this transformer, and this transformer via these 2 bus couplers. So these transformers here are all now generating a fault. So if I calculate all now and run this system, that's now giving me 32 kA. So you can bring on and offline depending whether your bus coupled switches are on and off. To turn transformers on or off, all you do is go to the connection from the transformer, double click on it, and you can say on or off. So there's your switch. And you have your generator. So you can have insert a electrical switch, and you can feed a generator in. The alternate would be to have these as generators. So you could have a transformer, instead of having a transformer, you could have a generator feeding a switch. So it could be transformer, generator, generator, transformer. So it allows you to build up some fairly complicated systems with multiple supplies.